I want to tell you something nobody tells you when they say, just build an app. They lied. Not on purpose, they just hadn't actually done it. This is the story of how a drunk conversation with friends turned into 4 failed attempts, 23,635 lines of documentation, and an app I'm still testing. Oh, and you're hearing an AI voice right now. I'm Korean. My English isn't good enough for this. So yes, even the narration was built with AI. Fitting, honestly. Let's go back to the beginning. It was a normal night. Friends, drinks, the kind of conversation where everyone gets a little too philosophical. One of my friends says something, just offhand, an idea. And the whole table goes, "Oh yeah, I've had that exact problem." You know that moment, when something clicks and you think, wait, is there an app for this? I checked, right there at the table. There wasn't. And then someone said, probably me after one too many, someone should just build that. Yeah, someone. I forgot about the idea for a while. Life happens. Then one day, completely by accident, I stumbled onto Google AI Studio. I just started typing, describing the app, and it started building the app. It looked good. It worked. I was clicking around thinking, this is it. This is the moment. Then I tried to add one more feature. Error. Okay, fix that. Different error. Fix that. Complete collapse. I didn't know what an API was. I didn't know what a database was. I had a vague sense that both of these things existed somewhere and were angry at me. I did what any reasonable person does after failing. I watched 100 videos and asked AI about 4,000 questions. Every answer pointed to the same thing. Use a no-code tool. Something like Bubble. No code. That means no coding, right? It does not mean no coding. It means here are 50 new terms you've never heard in an interface that makes complete sense once you already understand everything you don't understand yet. I tried. I had AI helping me the whole time. Still couldn't do it. By this point, I had absorbed one lesson, so I made a real plan. And I used Cursor, which everyone said was the move. Early stages, smooth. I thought, this is it, for real this time. Around halfway, it started drifting. Fix one thing, break 2 others. Add a feature, forget 3 things it already knew. You know what spaghetti code is? I know now. Personal experience. This is where things get weird. I decided the problem was the plan, not thorough enough. So I spent a week just planning, nothing else. The original structure document, 7,000 lines. Then I decided it was too big, so I split it into sections. Design doc, planning doc, QA checklist, business model, feature additions. Total, 23,635 lines of documentation. And I didn't use one AI to build all this. I used all of them. Gemini, Copilot, Grok, Claude, all running at once, cross-checking each other. Don't worry, you don't need to read this. I even built a tool to remove duplicate answers between them, to find the real signal in the noise. The tool was also built by AI, obviously. Then the documents got tangled. Some stopped syncing with each other. So I started fixing them. By the time I noticed what was happening, the documentation had doubled, maybe tripled. I went in to fix a document. I came out with 3 new documents. I had escaped spaghetti code and walked straight into spaghetti documents. Gemini, Copilot, Grok, Claude, thank you all for your service. I did my research this time. I watched everything about what works, what doesn't. The name that kept coming up? Claude Code. I started on Pro. 2 weeks in, I hit the limits every 3 days. So I moved up to Max. 2 more weeks passed. It's working. Features go in. They stay in. What I build on Monday is still there on Friday. Current count? 31,055 lines of code. Claude Code counted, obviously. It also estimates 40,000 lines by launch. It's predicting its own growth now. I'm not sure how to feel about that. So where am I now? The app exists, it runs, I'm in testing. I still haven't finalized the logo. I'm not a developer. I came from a completely different background. I'm building for a market I don't live in, for users I've never met in person. The app, AI. The documents, AI. The narration you're hearing right now, AI. The line count, AI. The growth prediction, AI. I just had the idea at a bar after too many drinks. If you have an idea, just start. I failed 4 times, but this time feels different. You can do this. It won't be easy. See you in the next one.